Blackout builds are our specialty. We've been in the business for over 40 years helping dealers and drivers break the factory mold. When the factory packages don't go far enough, we're here to make your vision a reality, and those visions are materializing faster than ever. We just opened a new 17,000 square foot facility dedicated to blacking out your ride. We've streamlined the process to make it fast and simple for anyone across the country. Whether you already own your car or you're shopping for your next, we're ready to take it to the next level. With us, everything's in-house. That means everything is covered by our 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty or better. Our expert technicians can black out your grille, roof rails, emblems or badges, trim pieces, door handles, body side moldings, exhaust tips, and so much more. We utilize paint, powder coating, wrap film, and OEM replacements to transform your ride. We also offer services like window tinting, powder coating wheels, paint protection film, and painted brake calipers. We also carry lifts, levels, running boards, and bed covers. Do you want your paint to shine like a diamond and last for years? We also specialize in ceramic coating, giving your paint up to 5 years of protection. Getting started has never been easier. We offer free in-person or over-the-phone blackout consultations where we walk through the process step by step and let you decide exactly what you want. And if you don't know what you want, we can help. We offer many ways for you to fund your transformation. If you're currently car shopping, we can even work with your dealership to roll it into your new car financing. Bring your car to the experts. The build you've been dreaming of is now easier than ever to obtain. Schedule your free consultation today.